Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to close your Payoneer account. So the first thing you want to do is go to your profile icon right here in the upper right corner and go to Support Center. Once you're here, click on this search bar right here and type in close. Now go to the first search result that says I wish to close my account and click on it. Here a few things that you need to know before closing your account. You can read this if you want, and after that you can press Contact Us. Then this page will load and just go over the Send a Message tab. Once you're here, select your language, enter your Payoneer email, and in this field, select My Payoneer account. Then select Close/Reopen an account, and then I wish to close my account. Once you have selected that, a new support ticket will load, specifically designed for closing a Payoneer account. Then just fill in these fields that are required, and under the feedback bracket you can just type I would like to close my account. Then once you filled everything in, simply press Submit. And now your ticket is submitted, but that's not the last step. After a day or two you will receive this email from Payoneer that requests some additional verification. This is usually just security questions that you inputted once you initially opened your Payoneer account. So you would just need to respond to this email with the requested questions. And after that, your account will be closed.